Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we dive into the fitness routine of the gorgeous actress, Shraddha Das. We all admire her stunning physique and wonder how she manages to stay in such great shape. So, without further ado, let's get started. Shraddha's workout routine revolves around three key components: cardio, strength training, and flexibility. She believes in a well-rounded approach to fitness. Firstly, Shraddha starts her day with a 30-minute cardio session to get her heart rate up and boost her metabolism. This can include activities like running, cycling, or even dancing. She incorporates strength training exercises to tone and sculpt her body. She focuses on different muscle groups each day, alternating between upper body, lower body, and core workouts. This ensures a balanced and effective routine. The actress also emphasizes the importance of flexibility. She practices yoga and Pilates to improve her flexibility, balance, and posture. These workouts not only help her stay lean but also enhance her mind-body connection. In addition to her exercise routine, the actress follows a healthy diet. She includes lean proteins like chicken, fish, and tofu, along with plenty of vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. She avoids processed and fried foods, opting for healthier cooking methods like grilling, baking, or steaming. Shraddha believes in the occasional indulgence too, allowing herself small treats in moderation. Hydration is also a priority, so she makes sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. To take care of her mental well-being, the actress incorporates meditation and mindfulness practices into her routine. She believes in the power of rest and sleep, as well as engaging in activities she enjoys, such as reading, listening to music, and spending quality time with loved ones. Shraddha's advice to all viewers is to find an exercise routine and a healthy eating plan that works for them. Shraddha Das follows a disciplined workout routine to stay in shape. Her exercise routine consists of a combination of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. She believes in the importance of variety and keeps her workouts interesting by incorporating different exercises. To improve her stamina and burn calories, she includes cardio exercises in her fitness routine. These may include activities like running, cycling, swimming, or brisk walking. Cardiovascular exercises help in increasing heart rate, improving cardiovascular health, and boosting overall endurance. The actress understands the significance of strength training in achieving a toned physique. She includes weightlifting, resistance training, and bodyweight exercises to build muscle strength and definition. Strength training not only helps in sculpting the body but also boosts metabolism and promotes better bone health. Yoga plays an essential role in Shraddha's fitness routine. She practices various yoga asana and incorporates stretching exercises to improve flexibility, enhance posture, and promote relaxation. Yoga helps in reducing stress levels, increasing body awareness, and maintaining a calm mind. Alongside her workout routine, Shraddha Das maintains a balanced and nutritious diet. She focuses on consuming fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. She avoids processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive snacking. Staying hydrated is also a priority for her, and she ensures to drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day. Apart from physical fitness, the actress prioritizes mental well-being. She practices mindfulness techniques, such as meditation and deep breathing exercises, to reduce stress and maintain mental clarity. She also believes in getting sufficient rest and sleep to rejuvenate her body and mind. Shraddha's commitment to her fitness routine is rooted in consistency and discipline. She understands that achieving and maintaining fitness goals requires dedication and regularity. She stays motivated by setting realistic targets and celebrating her progress along the way. The actress enjoys participating in outdoor activities that provide both physical exercise and an opportunity to connect with nature. She often goes hiking, plays sports like badminton or tennis, or engages in other outdoor recreational activities. These activities not only provide a change of scenery but also add an element of fun to her fitness routine. To keep herself motivated and add a social aspect to her fitness journey, the actress sometimes participates in group workouts or fitness classes. This allows her to interact with like-minded individuals, share fitness goals, and derive support and inspiration from the group dynamic. She incorporates functional training exercises into her fitness routine. These exercises mimic everyday movements and improve overall body strength, stability, and flexibility. Functional training helps in developing strength for daily activities and can also reduce the risk of injuries. The actress believes in leading an active lifestyle beyond her scheduled workouts. She engages in activities like taking the stairs instead of the elevator, walking or cycling for short distances, or doing household chores actively. These small lifestyle choices contribute to her overall physical activity level and help in maintaining a healthy weight. In addition to her fitness routine, she understands the importance of regular health checkups. She visits healthcare professionals for routine screenings and assessments to monitor her overall health and catch any potential issues at an early stage. Shraddha Das incorporates interval training into her workouts. This involves alternating between high-intensity exercises and short recovery periods. Interval training is known to be effective for boosting cardiovascular fitness, burning calories, and improving overall endurance. To enhance her core strength, flexibility, and posture, the actress includes Pilates in her fitness routine. Pilates exercises focus on strengthening the deep muscles of the abdomen, back, and pelvic floor, promoting a balanced and aligned physique. She occasionally works with a personal trainer who guides and customizes her workout program according to her goals and fitness level. Having a professional to provide guidance, track progress, and introduce new exercises helps her stay accountable and achieve optimal results. Shraddha practices mindful eating by paying attention to her food choices, portion sizes, and eating habits. She believes in savoring meals, eating slowly, and listening to her body's hunger and fullness cues. This approach helps her maintain a healthy relationship with food and make nutritious choices. The actress understands the importance of incorporating active recovery days into her fitness routine. On these days, she engages in low-impact activities like yoga, stretching, or light cardio to promote muscle recovery, flexibility, and overall relaxation. Maintaining a positive mindset is a crucial aspect of Shraddha Das' fitness journey. She believes in celebrating small victories, focusing on progress rather than perfection, and embracing self-love and body positivity. A positive mindset helps her stay motivated, overcome challenges, and enjoy the overall fitness journey. Shraddha Das emphasizes the importance of adaptability and variety in her fitness routine. She understands that the body adapts to repetitive exercises, so she constantly switches up her workouts by trying new activities, exercises, or fitness classes. This not only keeps her engaged and motivated but also challenges different muscle groups and prevents plateaus. The actress uses her platform to inspire and motivate her fans to prioritize their health and fitness. She shares her fitness journey, tips, and insights through social media, interviews, and public appearances, encouraging others to embrace an active and healthy lifestyle. Shraddha Das maintains her fitness routine even while traveling. She incorporates exercises that can be done in hotel rooms or outdoor spaces, such as bodyweight exercises, yoga flows, or HIIT workouts. This ensures that her fitness goals are not compromised even when she's on the go. Shraddha Das believes in setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. She sets both short-term and long-term fitness goals to keep herself motivated and focused. This approach helps her track her progress and celebrate milestones along the way. The actress surrounds herself with a positive social support system that encourages her fitness journey. She shares her goals and progress with close friends, family members, or workout buddies who provide encouragement, accountability, and motivation. This network helps her stay committed to her fitness routine. Shraddha utilizes fitness apps and wearable devices to track her workouts, monitor her progress, and stay motivated. These tools provide her with data on steps taken, calories burned, heart rate, and other metrics, allowing her to make informed decisions about her fitness routine. In addition to active recovery days, she recognizes the importance of rest days in her fitness routine. Rest days allow her body to recover, repair muscle tissue, prevent burnout, and reduce the risk of overtraining. She listens to her body and gives it the rest it needs to perform optimally. The actress believes in continuously learning and expanding her knowledge about fitness and wellness. She stays updated with the latest research, attends workshops, and consults with experts to refine her workout routines and nutritional choices. The actress actively participates in charity runs and fitness events. She finds joy in using her fitness capabilities to contribute to causes she cares about. These events provide her with additional motivation and a sense of fulfillment as she combines her passion for fitness with philanthropy. Shraddha Das places great importance on mental health alongside physical fitness. She incorporates stress management techniques such as meditation, journaling, or engaging in hobbies to maintain a healthy mind. She believes that a strong mind is vital for overall well-being. The actress emphasizes hygiene and safety in her fitness routine. She ensures that she works out in clean and well-maintained environments. She also follows proper sanitization practices, such as wiping down equipment before and after use, and carries a towel and hand sanitizer with her during workouts. Shraddha Das actively promotes body positivity and encourages her fans to embrace their bodies in all shapes and sizes. She emphasizes that fitness is about feeling healthy and confident rather than conforming to societal standards. Her advocacy for body positivity inspires others to appreciate their bodies and prioritize self-acceptance. As an actress, she often prepares for roles that require physical transformations or specific fitness requirements. In such cases, she works closely with her trainers and nutritionists to develop customized workout plans and diets to achieve the desired results while ensuring her health and well-being are maintained. The actress believes in the power of motivational mantras and positive affirmations. She incorporates them into her fitness routine, using them to stay focused, boost her confidence, and overcome obstacles. These mantras serve as reminders of her goals and help her maintain a positive mindset throughout her fitness journey. Shraddha Das isn't afraid to challenge herself physically and mentally. She seeks out new workouts or fitness disciplines that push her limits and expand her capabilities. By embracing challenges, she continuously grows and evolves in her fitness journey. While she maintains a structured fitness routine, she also understands the importance of flexibility and adaptability. She adjusts her workouts when needed, listens to her body's signals, and modifies exercises to accommodate any injuries or limitations. This approach ensures that she can sustain her fitness journey in the long term. The actress actively shares inspirational content related to fitness, health, and wellness on her social media platforms. She provides workout tips, healthy recipes, motivational quotes, and glimpses into her own fitness journey. Through these posts, she motivates and inspires her followers to prioritize their well-being. Shraddha Das prioritizes injury prevention by practicing proper form and technique during her workouts. She pays attention to her body's signals and takes necessary rest or modifications when experiencing discomfort. In the case of any injuries, she seeks professional guidance for recovery and rehabilitation. She enjoys participating in fitness challenges to add excitement and variety to her routine. These challenges may involve specific exercises, time-based goals, or participation in events such as marathons or fitness competitions. Engaging in challenges keeps her motivated, adds a competitive element, and pushes her boundaries. Maintaining good posture and alignment is important to Shraddha Das. She incorporates exercises that focus on strengthening the core and improving postural alignment. By maintaining proper posture, she reduces the risk of injury, enhances body awareness, and improves overall physical appearance. To support her fitness routine, the actress incorporates recovery and self-care practices. These may include regular massages, foam rolling, hot baths, or using heat or ice packs as needed. These practices help in alleviating muscle soreness, improving blood circulation, and promoting relaxation. Shraddha Das surrounds herself with a strong support system of friends, family, and fellow fitness enthusiasts who provide motivation, encouragement, and accountability. She actively engages with these individuals through group workouts, fitness communities, or online platforms to share progress, challenges, and celebrate achievements together. The actress extends her commitment to fitness beyond her personal goals by engaging in philanthropic endeavors. She participates in charity runs, fitness fundraisers, or campaigns that promote health and well-being. These activities allow her to contribute to causes she cares about while staying active. She believes in maintaining a balanced approach to fitness and nutrition. While she remains dedicated to her fitness routine, she also allows herself occasional indulgences and treats. Moderation is key, and she understands the importance of finding a sustainable balance between enjoying life and staying committed to her goals. The actress regularly evaluates her fitness routine and progress. She reflects on what is working well and what needs adjustment. By self-evaluating, she can identify areas of improvement, set new goals, and make necessary changes to optimize her fitness journey. She actively engages with her fans and followers on social media to inspire and support them on their own fitness journeys. She responds to messages, offers advice, and shares her experiences, creating a positive and interactive community focused on health and wellness. Shraddha Das embraces the role of being a fitness role model. She understands the impact her lifestyle choices can have on her fans and strives to inspire them through her dedication, consistency, and positive attitude towards fitness and well-being. The actress recognizes the importance of the mind-body connection in her fitness journey. She practices mindfulness techniques, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises, to stay present, reduce stress, and enhance focus during workouts. This approach allows her to fully engage in her fitness routine and optimize its benefits. While aesthetics are a part of her fitness journey, the actress also sets performance-based goals. She focuses on improving her strength, endurance, agility, or flexibility, allowing her to challenge herself and measure progress beyond just physical appearance. Exercise plays a significant role in Shraddha Das' mental health routine. She acknowledges the positive impact of physical activity on mood, stress reduction, and overall mental well-being. Regular workouts serve as an outlet for releasing stress, boosting endorphins, and improving overall mental clarity. Shraddha recognizes the importance of quality sleep in her fitness routine. She prioritizes getting sufficient rest to allow her body to recover, repair muscles, and rejuvenate. Adequate sleep supports her overall health and helps optimize her physical performance. The actress views fitness as a long-term commitment rather than a short-term goal. She embraces the idea of a sustainable and balanced approach to health and fitness, understanding that consistency and dedication over time lead to lasting results. Shraddha Das' fitness journey has not only transformed her physically but also contributed to her personal growth and self-confidence. Through her dedication, she has learned discipline, perseverance, and the importance of self-care, which have positively impacted various aspects of her life. To keep her fitness journey exciting and dynamic, the actress regularly seeks out new challenges. She may explore different workout styles, engage in outdoor adventures, or participate in fitness events that push her limits and encourage growth. In addition to her fitness routine, she enjoys cooking and sharing healthy recipes with her followers. She incorporates nutritious ingredients and emphasizes the importance of a balanced diet in achieving overall fitness and well-being. Despite her success, the actress remains grounded and focused on maintaining a balanced approach to life. She recognizes that physical fitness is just one aspect of a well-rounded and fulfilling lifestyle that also includes relationships, personal growth, and pursuing other passions. And there you have it, Shraddha Das's workout routine, a perfect combination of cardio, strength training, and yoga. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.